Hello students, standard 7 subject max. Today we will start new chapter 13 exponents and powers. Okay, so in this chapter these are the points we are going to learn. So with the flow chart I have explained you what we are going to learn. So first, what is power and exponent, that we are going to learn. Then afterwards law of exponents. Law means the rules of exponents. What are the rules that we have to follow and then do the sum. Then express number in prime factors, find the value, expand it and standard form. So this and this, while doing the example exercise, I will explain you, and this too I will explain you in points to be remembered. Okay, so points to be remembered. See, first is what in the practice book points to be remembered are given. So this I am explaining you. This you write in the notebook also. These are very important points. See, what are exponent and what is base, power, everything I will explain you. See, here what is given, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is written as 2 raised to the power 4 in exponential form. Okay, so we are writing 2 in the exponential form like this, 2 raised to the power 4. We are reading like this, 2 raised to the power 4. Okay, so in 2 raised to the power 4, 2 is called base. 2 is called what? Base, and raised to the power 4 is called exponent. Okay, remember this, 2 is called base, 4 is called exponent, and we are reading as 2 raised to the power 4. Okay, exponents are used as they are easy to read, write, compare very large number. So to compare very large number we are using exponential form. Okay, now next point is a negative number raised to even power is positive. Suppose example, even number power होता है. Suppose this is the base. Okay, and it is 4 is the even number, so answer will become positive. See, okay, 4 into 4 times 3 minus 3, so it will become positive. See, minus plus, minus plus, so plus answer. Then see, a negative number raised in odd power. Remember, these 2 points are very important. Odd power is negative. Suppose 3 raised to the power 3 is the odd number, so minus plus, then minus, so minus is the answer, like this. Okay, every number raised to the power 0 is 1. Any number, suppose 3 raised to the power 0, so what is the answer? 1 is the answer, like this. Understood? So these are the points you have to remember, and also you have to write it in the notebook. Okay, now I will explain you laws of exponent. Laws means what? Rules. Remember, laws means rules. So these are the, see, I have drawn here in the flow chart there are 5 rules of law of exponent. See, first, law of multiplication of power. First law is law of multiplication of powers. Law of division of powers. Second one. Third one is law of power of a power. Remember, these are very important. Till 10th standard it will come. So law of power of a product. Product means multiplication only. Law of power of a quotient. Quotient means division. Okay, so these are the law 5 rules. I am explaining you in the detail with the example. So first law is what? Law of multiplication of powers. So here this is the law. A raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. Base दोनों का same है and power is different and it is multiplication. So what you have to do? You have to do एक ही बार base लिखना है and then you m plus n कर दोनों power को add करना है. Okay, for example, 2 raised to the power 4 into 2 raised to the power 3. So 2 same, so एक ही बार लेना है and then 4 plus 3 कर देना है. So what will come? 2 raised to the power 7. This is the law of multiplication of power. This you have to remember. Okay, नाउ सेकेंड वन इज लॉ ऑफ डिवीजन ऑफ पावर. इसमें टू ए एंड बी दो सब रूल्स आर देयर. सो सी ऊपर नीचे होता है मीन्स डिवीजन. ओके, सो a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n. So base is same, power are different. Okay, so a raised to the यहाँ पे if it is division you have to do minus, if it is multiplication you have to do addition. ऐसा याद रखना है. तो यहाँ पे क्या करोगे, डिवीजन है तो 3 raised to the power, एग्जाम्पल सी 3 अगर m is greater than n ये वाला होता है तब क्या करोगे, 3 raised to the power 8, 3 raised to the power 6. बेस आर सेम सो राइट ओनली वन टाइम एंड 8 माइनस 6 कर दो तो 3 raised to the power 2. दिस इज़ योर आंसर. अभी ऐसा होता है m छोटा है n से. ओके, इफ़ m इज स्मॉलर देन n, a raised to the power m, a raised to the power n, बेस आर सेम सो राइट इट. वॉट यहाँ पे करना है हमें 1 लिखना. अगर ये ऐसा होता है, सी एग्जाम्पल में पता चलेगा. 6 raised to the power 2, 6 raised to the power 4 ऐसा होता है. ये छोटा होता है तो क्या करोगे, 1 लिखना है यहाँ पे एंड देन 6 raised to the 4 minus 2 तो 1, 6 raised to the power 2. वॉच द वीडियो केयरफुली एंड वॉच द वीडियो अगेन एंड अगेन. थर्ड रूल इज लॉ ऑफ पावर ऑफ ए पावर. अगर पावर ऑफ ए पावर होता है सी ए एम n तो ऐसा होता है तब क्या करोगे आप, मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. ओके, सो पावर ऑफ ए पावर होता है तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो यू हैव टू सी एग्जाम्पल 2 raised to the power 2 3 so 2 into 3 6, 2 raised to the power 6 is the answer. फोर्थ लॉ इज लॉ ऑफ ए पावर ऑफ ए प्रोडक्ट. प्रोडक्ट मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन. अगर ऐसा होता है मल्टीप्लाई है यर इफ इट इज़ मल्टीप्लिकेशन a n b n, यहाँ पे क्या है, ये दोनों बेस अलग है तो आपको क्या करना है, ए बी को लेके और दिस इज़ द सेम सो टेक वन टाइम. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल 2 into 3 raised to the power आर सेम सो टेक वन टाइम. ओके, 2 3s are 6 raised to the power 4. Observe and see the video again and again. Law of a power of a question. Question means division. तो a raised to the power m, b raised to the power m. Base are different, powers are same. So आपको क्या करना है, a b एक बार ले लो फिर 5 5. So power one time you write down. 2 upon 3 raised to the power 5 like this. Okay. Now exercise we will do in the next video. Thank you.